Hello viewers, here is a seemingly generic agricultural ceiling fan. It's one of those ones that is heat resistant and moisture resistant and all that sorts of stuff. Got this for $20 off eBay. There's still some of them left. There's 9 at the time of this recording. I'm not sure how many will be left, but it's a great, at the time you watch this, but it's a great deal because usually these things go for like $200-300. Anyways, I wish they would have put it in a separate box because this took quite a beating as FedEx threw it around their facilities and threw it at my front door and whatnot, but hopefully it's arrived intact. The box is actually already open at this end, which is not too cool. I think the motor is down here, so I'm going to open it like this. Still a little bit of tape left on this side, so I'll cut that off. Now let's see what we have in here. Okay. It looks like I'm just going to pull these foam pieces out and put this on the floor. Oh, I hate styrofoam. That's a horrible sound. I'm not sure how to get this out of the box, honestly. This is probably not the best way, but I was hoping this would be a cast motor fan, and I think it is. I don't know. I'm not sure. Whew, okay. That was quite the struggle. Alright, so here's the blades. Now, I really have no use for this fan. I just have one for a long time because I think they're pretty cool, and for $20 I figured that's probably the best deal I'll be getting on something like this. Blades pull out of here is a mystery. These blades are huge. It's got to be a good 6 inches across, if not more. Let's see. Yeah, they're about 7 inches across. Okay, so let's see if we can get some information on this here. There is... I'm not sure if this slides up. I think it does. Okay, so it looks like we got a fairly small capacitor in there. So I'll zoom in on that tag. Made for Vostermann's ventilation, Vineo Holland. 0.8 amps, that's not too bad. Model 190A Agrifan. Zoom this out again. it looks a lot like a Banville Envirofan type thing, which is what I was hoping. Oh man, that thing is heavy. Here's the date code, 2013-01, so with my luck with ceiling fans, the bearings will be bad, but we'll see. They seem to be okay for the moment. Let's take a look here. It's got a J-hook, and this is the type of J-hook that's meant to be on like a metal beam or something. Now, I don't have that, so we're not going to use that. We're going to use something else. Here is the manual. Open it, that was phenomenal. Okay. This is not in Spanish. This is in, maybe it's in German? Honestly, I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, I think it's in German. I don't know. I wish I could find out where this was made. I want to see if it was made in China or not. I don't know. I can't seem to find out. Let's look in the manual here. Oh, it's all pictures. Which is fine, but it would be nice if it was accompanied by some words. Yeah, I don't see anywhere an indication of where this was made. Okay, what does this say? They put this cover over that. I think this is 10 feet or less. We're not doing that. I don't even have a 10-foot ceiling. Alright, so I was hoping this would have a plug on the end. But my hopes have been foiled, and it is in fact just a regular wiring. Fortunately, they have labeled it, so I'll be able to actually connect this one without asking people for help. Whoops, that's just standing. Now, I may have to put a shorter down rod on this because, well, I will have to put a shorter down rod on it eventually because this is going to hang well below head level in the shop anyways. Can't have that. So, I'll do that eventually. I'll change it. Change it with a different down rod. It won't be waterproof because there's this weird waterproofing thing at the top. Obviously won't have that, but I'm not using it in a wet environment, so it won't be an issue. I'm not sure what this paper is for, but I'll slide this back down. That fits nicely on there, and that doesn't permit it to go all the way up. Okay, so I have a hook installed already. Oops. I have a J-hook right here, and where is it? There it is. Whoa. Okay, I'm going to try to use that one because I don't feel like screwing up another one right now. So I'm going to move this chair. Okay, here we go. I'll just have to do something with this. Actually, I'll just take that off for now. And although this is not ideal, obviously you can't have it hanging that low. You can see how low it hangs. This will be good enough just to test it. And I'll probably test it on the Caribbean Breeze wall choke. Don't believe I have it accessible. Nope, I have to pull it out again. Okay, so I'm going to put the blades on and then we'll try to get this thing tested. Okay, here's a brief test. Just want to make sure it works. Full power. Not quite as fast as I thought it would be, but it does throw out plenty of air. You can really feel the air moving out to the sides. It's cool. Not wanting to focus too well. Alright, well, we'll have more videos to come on this eventually. I'm not going to show the spin down time because I got other things to do today. It's probably going to take forever. So, okay, that's it. Goodbye.